Hello, everyone. My name is Art David Anthony Padua, a graduate of De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute, batch 2023 of Bachelor of Science in Nuclear Medicine Technology. Currently, I'm working as a supervisor at Dr. Conlu Pet City Center, located at Mandaluyong, and as a part-time professor or faculty member at De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute. So, una talaga is nuclear medicine has a huge role in the detection and targeted treatment of cancer through the use of radiopharmaceuticals. It's very surprising for me na meron palang capabilities sa nuclear medicine to not only identify the disease at a molecular level, but also contribute to its treatment. In addition, being a LaSallian throughout my whole life, I've been deeply influenced by the institution or LaSalle's core values. So these principles have shaped me, my personal and my professional outlook, making the LaSalle Medical and Health Sciences Institute as a natural choice for my continued education. So during my junior internship, I was immersed in a highly supportive and dynamic learning environment. So I can still recall the hands-on training and in-depth discussions provided by our senior staff and clinical instructors. So during yung procedure and handle ng patient, every step of the procedure, they ensured that we not only understood how and learned how to perform these procedures, but also they made it sure that we understood the concepts behind those procedures, yung rationale ng bawat kilos natin. During my senior internship, I was given the opportunity to refine my skills in a fast-paced clinical setting. So in this institution, we were handling almost like 15 patients a day. Napakaraming patient. And despite the number of patients that we were handling daily at that time or during my senior internship, the staff there still dedicated themselves in mentoring us throughout each procedure, allowed us to gradually take on greater responsibility. As a graduate of De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute I was able to confidently assume the roles and responsibilities of a PET CT nuclear medicine technologist immediately after graduation. And the discipline and ability to multitask that I developed throughout my college years or academic year and internship enabled me to effectively balance professional work while I prepared for my certification exam for certification for nuclear medicine technologists, which was administered by Philippine Society of Nuclear Medicine. I always say this, tell those who plan on working in the field of nuclear medicine or sa medical field in general. Choose this field and this course not because it's a course that will help you earn money or fame, but take it as a calling. Nuclear medicine is a unique field where science, compassion, and radiopharmaceuticals and empathy come together. You will not just be performing your procedures, but also significantly contribute to the treatment process that patients undergo every day to cure themselves or treat them under life-threatening diseases, especially cancer. At LaSalle, at DLSM HSI, you will be equipped with the knowledge, skills, and values especially you will need to excel in this profession. So if you're passionate about innovation, committed to providing service in need, and ready to embrace lifelong learning, then this will not only shape your career, but also who you become as a person.